Welcome to my channel, YouTubers, subscribers, and non-subscribers. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. This is on Crafts 1200C HD Harley Sportster. I got my main squeeze helper here. Sorry about that. We're doing a wind shim out of jewelry pieces that had been left around the house doing nothing but taking up space for the feng shui type person in you. Handcrafted. You got a piece of wood, reckonably from the beach, guys, where a lot of water has hit it, sanded it down, polished it. If you want, you can pass some varnish through it using fisherman's, here you go, fisherman's line, preferably thin, white. I don't know what number that is, very thin, invisible sorta. As you can see, my woodcrafts table that I'm doing everything on is over 50 years old. It's been passed through generations. And since this is Mexico, it's painted, other than varnish, a Mexican color. Preferably red, but which red? I don't know. Let's just say hot red. Yeah, Corvette hot red. So take all the jewelry pieces that you have laying around. Take a piece of wood, preferably from the beach or your backyard. Sand it, polish it, or let the beach do its job. That's why I picked one from the beach. So let the beach do its job. Make sure it's hollow. It's not hollow. Make sure it's solid, not hollow. And take all the jewelry pieces that are just sitting around doing nothing. Get some fisherman's line. Every man in there, H-Hog, has fisherman's line, right? Alright guys, so moving on with the craftsmanship. Your wife would appreciate this if you did take pieces of her. For instance, my helper here is giving me this jewelry laying around like that. Make a wind shim out of it. Very good for feng shui, and also good for the heart. So that's how it will look when it's done. Right now it's not done, but I can't edit this video. Just stick it someplace or hang it with the fisherman's line from anywhere and let the wind hit it. Do not keep anything under it so it works feng shui style. If you don't care about that Japanese, Chinese, whatever it is, culture, Asian stuff, then put it anywhere you want. This is an easy how-to. I'm not using no pliers, no tools, no. The knots I'm doing is by hand. Everything is easy, accessible, whatever I can get my hands on. Like I said, my funds are low. I wish you guys would subscribe. I need 1,000+ subscribers, maybe 10 million if I can subscribers. And please support me on Patreon as well so I can get back to my HD Harley Davidson videos. It's been falling behind. I need a lot of work done to it. I got the neutral light going. I got the polishing that I need to redo on shocks that need to be polished. I'm running out of material. I don't have time. I have all the time in the world. Me and my best friend helper here next to me. She's a doll. And we're looking forward to working together, guys. Support me on Patreon and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. And here's a great idea on how to make a wind shim. Any comments, leave below. I hope I'm saying it right. It's a wind shim. Thanks for watching again my videos. Thanks for supporting me, subscribers, and see you on my next video, hopefully soon.